If the haptic keyboard feedback isn't working on your iPhone, you can follow these steps to fix it. Let's get your haptic feedback working again. Solution 1. Check haptic feedback settings. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the Sounds and Vibration Patterns section. Tap Keyboard Feedback. Make sure Haptic is toggled on. If it's off, toggle it on to enable haptic feedback when typing. Solution 2. Check vibration settings for haptic feedback. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap Accessibility, tap Touch. Make sure vibration is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on. Solution 3. Check Do Not Disturb or Silent mode. Flip the ring or silent switch on the side of your iPhone to the ring position. No orange showing. Open Settings, then tap Focus. Tap Do Not Disturb and make sure it's turned off. By following these steps, you should be able to restore the haptic feedback for your keyboard. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.